Devin Feely, KPIX 5.
Well, I know the calendar says late April, but as far as the weather today, guys, it's summer.
Feeling like it, for sure.
Yeah. I mean, Friday it was almost 90 for inland locations. Yesterday we were pretty close. But today we got a 10-degree cool down. And we also had one of those classic shows over the Golden Gate Bridge with that beautiful deck of marine layer stratus just kind of streaming. It's like a conveyor belt there. You see the clouds are moving forward. There's your onshore flow. But those clouds are also, there, cue the container ship. Those clouds are also slowly melting back and disappearing as the temperatures warm up and the clouds completely disappear. This is summer, is what it looks like. Let me show you what that camera looks like now. We'll switch to the live view and we'll put some numbers in front of this. That's the way it looked from the high-resolution satellite today. See, that was what we were just looking at? Just came in right through the Golden Gate, right along the coast here for the peninsula. The Marin Headlands had it. Nobody else by the time we got into noon. And that stuff just melted away, and it's clear out there now. But even though the clouds disappeared, there's still an onshore flow. It is still windy at the coast. Look at that 25 for San Francisco. And we're still seeing a 15-mile-an-hour breeze make it over to Oakland. Again, that's another summer-like pattern. This is the sea breeze really picking up in full force. It's driving the clouds in and also making it feel cooler. And if we look at the numbers, here's probably the most important aspect of why I'd say it's like summer. Look at Santa Rosa, 84 today. Now look at San Francisco, 59. You do the math on that, it's a 25-degree temperature spread from one part of the Bay Area to the other. So now the microclimates really do start to come into play. And just to show you how tomorrow's going to play out, we're going to take a straight line from Pacifica inland to San Mateo, further inland to Livermore. We're only going up to 63 tomorrow in Pacifica. We'll hit 70 for the daytime high in San Mateo. We hit our daytime highs right around 4 in the afternoon. And skipping over to far inland Alameda County, Livermore is going to be near 80. Notice how we all start out at the same place at 7 a.m. We're all at 51. We start out at the gate even, and then it's off to the races if you are inland. Let's get everybody else in here. Santa Rosa going to 81. We'll do 67 in the city tomorrow. San Jose, you're going to 77. Oakland, you're going to top out at 73 for the daytime high tomorrow. So those numbers are a little bit cooler, but still very similar to today. There's not a whole lot of change here yet. So let me show you how the numbers are going to start to climb. Tuesday is when we're going to peak again, 86 for daytime highs when we get there. That's about 10 to 11 degrees above average for this time of year. It'll be close to, if not as hot as Friday and Saturday was. Friday, we hit 89 for several inland locations. So Tuesday's 86 won't be quite that warm, but it'll be close. I doubt you'll notice the difference. It'll probably feel very similar. And it's really short-lived, because after we do that 86 on Tuesday, the numbers are going to start coming back down again. And if you're wondering what average is for this time of year, look at Friday and Saturday, mid-70s. That's where we should be. Inland spots should be hitting mid-70s. The bay should be topping out in the upper 60s. And the coast should be lucky to make it to around 60 for this time of year, which is pretty much what we're going to do. So if you like it sunny and warm, you're going to get that. And if you want to get back to typical, you'll have that too by the end of this next coming week. We'll be right back after this.